Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about the Trump meme coin as corporate treasury. Let's dig in. MicroStrategy bought 3,459 bitcoins for $285 million on April 15th, and they added additional $1.4 billion of Bitcoin with latest purchase on April 28th. On May 2nd, Strategy raising another $21 billion to buy Bitcoin posts large Q1 loss and Bitcoin price decline. They don't care at all. What matters to them is the number of Bitcoin, not the price. Not only MicroStrategy, but 21 Capital, it's the coalition among those Cantor Fitzgerald, SoftBank from Japan, Tether from China, as well as Trump's family members, Wall Street giants, even the United States. National FOMO goes into Bitcoin right now. Metaplanet, as you know, in Japan, Japanese version of MicroStrategy, they issued $25 million in bonds to buy more Bitcoin following US expansion. Are they only focusing on Bitcoin only? That's true. Yes, they are focusing on Bitcoin right now. But don't be fooled. Bitcoin first priority for sure, but and then they're gonna pump altcoins as well. Not Meta Planet, I'm saying, but the Wall Street giants. Crypto investment is to bet on the greed of Wall Street giants. What they care is not capital gains per se, more about it's about fees. For example, trading fees, ETF, index funds, sales fees, derivatives, exchanges, and payments. Those fees are the main source of their income. When you take a look at these altcoin ETF applications, the firstly, basket and index. Uh, this index crypto fund consists of five major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cardano. In Litecoin ETF, Solana ETF, XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, Polkadot, Hedera, and Avalanche. Most of those altcoin ETF and a deadline for their ETF approval is mostly by the middle or late of October. And the odds of approval this year has risen up from somewhere between 60 to 70%. It has gone up to 80 and even 90% among most of those altcoins. Just be reminded that they don't care about our crypto gains, but their own gains, mostly fees, including sales of index funds, ETFs, derivative sales, etc. Just think, just put your shoes in their shoes, put your foot in their shoes. In order to increase their sales, altcoin price needs to go much higher from now. In short, Bitcoin price can easily go 2x, uh, 3x later this year for sure, but blue chip altcoins price can go 4x, 5x, 7x, even 10x later on. Nasdaq listed FR8 Tech is a name of a company to create $20 million Trump treasury to support fair US Mexico trade. The Nasdaq listed logistics solutions firm announced that it has entered an agreement that would finance up to $20 million for purchasing official Trump meme coins. Its CEO said the purchase could effectively advocate fair trade between Mexico and the United States. MicroStrategy, as we all know, Japanese version, Metaplanet for sure. There's a French version of MicroStrategy named The Blockchain Group. They are also stacking up Bitcoin right now in France. Solana and Trump meme coins As corporate treasury, this strategy has been chosen by Genova and FR8 Tech in, I don't know, it's in this Mexican company. Firstly, Bitcoin and then Ethereum and XRP Solana are the big altcoins to follow soon. Behind all this, there is BlackRock led Wall Street giant guys behind the whole this crypto scene to pump the market like crazy once again. Possibly with compromise on tariffs were between United States and China, global liquidity increasing, possibly with regulatory clarity, it can be all combined, in my personal opinion. Goldman Sachs bets big on crypto and tokenization offerings. The crypto head Matthew McDermott, he revealed the firm's potential plans to expand its services to crypto trading and tokenization. Goldman Sachs is planning to expand its services to crypto and tokenization. The firm's crypto head asserts that it addresses the growing customer demand for crypto services. The decision strengthens Eric Trump's prediction of traditional finance's downfall without crypto. You can ask Google or ChatGPT, whomsoever, how much did Goldman Sachs invest in Circle back in 2015? In 2015, when most of us had never heard of Bitcoin, crypto, blockchain whatsoever, Goldman Sachs led a $50 million investment in Circle Internet Financial. Back then, Circle was not a stablecoin issuer. Back then, Circle was the OTC Bitcoin sales agent, dealer. Anyway, this investment was a significant step for the company, solidifying its position in the digital currency space. Goldman Sachs worked on Bitcoin first. BlackRock Fidelity worked on Bitcoin first, but not Bitcoin only. The role of Bitcoin and altcoin could be different for sure. Bitcoin works as the best collateral, the soundest collateral asset in the world, whereas altcoins are like just technology, just like internet. It enables real innovation in the real world. Just imagine the convergence between AI and crypto, 6G and crypto, autonomous driving and crypto, humanoid robots and crypto. Crypto could be the rails for all those internet value creation and the motive between those exchanges between those robotics. Blockchain rails provides rails as it provides infrastructure for digital value transfers. If you have invested in crypto right now, it's like investing in railroads in 19th century and investing in internet network in 20th century. It's like the infrastructure play. And every innovation, as you know, experiences multiple boom and bust, these type of cycles. Crypto is not the exception as well. Bitcoin, you need to buy Bitcoin for sure, and especially with a better watch out those altcoins chosen by the United States, chosen by the Trump's sons, especially by Eric Trump, and ETF approval to be approved those products, altcoins, chosen by World Economic Forum, chosen by BlackRock. Those altcoins you need to focus upon only. As you know, profit is made when you buy low and sell high. If you want to make a huge profit, you need to buy low a lot and sell high a lot. No exceptions. As long as uncertainty remains in the market, just like now, the narrow window of opportunity still exists. However, it's time to accumulate some more if you can. It's not just time to sell right now. I will let you know when major indicators tell us to sell. Until then, just relax, enjoy yourself, enjoy the vibe. Thank you for listening.